Welcome to 2 Cents Motorsports. Today I'm going to show you how by the end of this build I'm going to have about $1,500 into it. Stick around. While it may be an outrageous claim to say that I can build bikes like these for $1,500, it's not outside the realm of possibility. The number one thing to being able to build bikes like this for a reasonable budget is buying it correctly. If you can buy your first bike for around $1,000. Now I'm talking specifically for Harley Davidsons. Other bikes, you may need to be at a different price point for the parts to offset your build. Harley Davidsons, you can buy all day long for $1,000 to $1,500, and you can build them for under $1,500. This bike was bought for $1,000 with a clean PA title. We sold the tins off of it and the exhaust. We sold the tins for $400 and the exhaust for $100. And so doing that, I was able to have this bike for $500. Being able to do the fabrication work yourself is a big deal. Now, those tools are expensive. In your first build, it will be much more expensive than what this build is going to cost me. But every build after your first build will be significantly cheaper as you invest in tools for yourself. Instead of paying a shop to do the stuff, and they probably won't even do it the way that you want it done, you have to expect high quality results if you're going to pay a shop. Learning how to do this stuff has been one of the most intriguing and valuable things that I've ever done. It translated into my jobs and my life extremely well. Well, that might not be something everybody wants to do. If you're interested in just learning motors, just learn the motors and buy somebody's frame that already has a hardtail on it. Make sure it's done correctly, or have a friend that knows how to do welding do it for you. But if you can at least cover one area of building a bike, you will drastically drop the price. Like, this is gonna get rattle canned from Hobby Lobby paint, but it's gonna look cool. It's gonna be a different color than you're gonna see from any of the auto parts stores. If you're interested in builds like this, or the tools that I use to build these bikes, like, comment, subscribe.